In this video, I will show you how to unlock a permanently locked Snapchat account. First, open a web browser and search Snapchat account locked. Then open the official Snapchat support page and select My Snapchat account is locked. Start by checking whether your account is temporarily locked or permanently locked. If it's a temporary lock, Snapchat recommends waiting 48 hours before trying to sign in again. Temporary locks are often caused by using unauthorized third-party apps or plugins. If your account is still locked after waiting, review the reasons Snapchat may permanently lock an account. Common reasons include violating the community guidelines, suspicious activities such as sending too many friend requests, using unauthorized third-party apps, or signing in from a device that has previously been banned. If you believe your account was locked by mistake, try signing into Snapchat app. If eligible, you'll see an option to submit an appeal on the login screen. Follow the prompts and provide the requested information. If you don't see the appeal option, return to Snapchat support website and look for the section related to compromised accounts. If you believe someone else accessed your account or it was locked due to unauthorized activity, select Contact Support. Fill out the form using your username, email address, phone number, and a detailed explanation of your situation. If you believe your account was compromised and you didn't violate Snapchat's policies, clearly mention that in your request. Once you have submitted the form, wait for Snapchat support to review your case. If your account is eligible for recovery, they'll contact you with the next steps. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.